Welcome to the series of economics. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you the concept of demand curve. So, demand curve, as the name suggests, it is a curve. So, it is actually a graphical representation that shows the relationship between price of a good and quantity demanded by consumer. It plots the price of the good on the vertical axis. So, you can see the price is on the vertical axis of the graph and the quantity demand on the horizontal axis. So you can see the quantity demand on the horizontal axis. So as the price of the good changes, the quantity demanded also changes. So this relationship is depicted by the shape of the demand curve. So this curve show actually the relationship. So in simple terms, we can say that a demand curve illustrates how the quantity demand of a product vary as its price changes. So demand curve slope downward from left to right. You can see it is slope downward from left to right. So indicating that as the price decreases, consumers are more willing to buy of a product. And as the price increases, they buy less. So if price increase, people buy less, and if price decrease, people buy more. So this was today's tutorial. If you have any confusion, you can ask in comment. Subscribe for complete economics series. Thanks for watching this video.